Hi, I talked. Welcome everyone. Yeah, so welcome 21st of June 2021. Let's go. Son, interesting market moves lately. Cool. Hello, Harold. Hello, Bryce. Cool. So there you are. I can see the request for gold today. 3-2 Sweden. Is it? Yeah, I thought it was 2-0 or 2-1 the other minute. So yeah. You should tell Magnus. He's from Gothenburg. He probably is cheering for Sweden. Gold forecast. Gold. Hello, Amol. Max V is 480. Yeah, I don't know what happens, bro. I was yesterday. Nothing has changed from yesterday, and I was projecting at 1080p, and I was making videos earlier today at 1080p. So I don't know what YouTube is doing to me. So it is what it is today. So if it's bad quality, just take it short. Keep it short. Keep it simple. Keep it straightforward. That's all. Is it too low? Okay, so if it's... Is it too low? Really? Is it too low? I can come at it again. I can go and watch my own stream, see how bad it is, though. Yeah, also it is what it is, I guess. I don't know why. I didn't change any settings, so I just need to check it last time. Alright, so just scream the prices then, okay? Cool. DXY is coming back to resistance again, setting up for a new short. Woohoo! As long as we are below 91.86, you're good to go down. Okay. Now weather forecast, sunny. Yeah, so DXY so far came up to resistance to sell again. So coming into Australian dollar, US dollar, it depends what you did today and what you did not today. That is the buy, and probably buy here tomorrow. Good. 75.00, 75.36, and 75.60 to 75.70. That price was mentioned yesterday, so if you got that, congratulations. Boom. If not, good. What's the target? Target is supposed to be 150, 170, like 72.26. So yeah, cool, great. TP Aussie 0.7726. All right, cool. Hello Shazzy. Cool. So okay, I need to energy. Okay, cool. Yeah. The other thing is Aussie. It has reversed. Great, fantastic. at the price we wanted, reversal wanted, higher, 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 low, continuation higher. This is kind of what I want to see. So yeah, all good. And I feel I trolled Nick today and he's live. I forgot to check my tea. That was so funny, bro. That was just so funny. So yeah, so he bought USD Swissy. I'm not saying it was a bad trade. I wouldn't take it, but he had his own mind. So yeah, cool. Euro coming down to a new buy price for tomorrow. Great. Today we had buy here, and we're probably going to buy here again. Cool. I'm not adding buys in the summer, so I only have one buy here. And letting that one run and see how far it goes. I'm of course now break even and hope for the best. Okay. I'm going through it, Liam. So yeah, cool. Like, what's the target? I think it's 21.50 somewhere up here. Yeah, good to go. Everything is great. 21.50, as I said. Yeah, cool. If you are a buyer, everything is great. Everything is good, and you're moving forward according to plan. According to plan, people. According to plan. TP is 121.50. Cool. For euro. Can we look at New Zealand dollar, New Zealand yen? What is break even? When you have, for example, when you have a sell entry at 21.40, you would put your stop loss somewhere, right? So let's say 22. When you put your order to break even, you put your stop loss to the same as your entry price. So you take your stop loss from 122 to 121.40 or lower, since it's a sell. If you are a buyer at 118 something, you took it to break even from here, and you're good to go, right? Cool. Great. Yeah, nothing else here. Just continue to buy. Should we be worried about a counter trend here? I am generally worried about that. That we can come down here again. I don't like it, but if it doesn't work out, bro, there is nothing to fight for. There's nothing to worry. There's nothing to be worried about here, because you know it does what it does, and we haven't hit our target in no man's land. So if it doesn't go up there, cool. What do you think will happen to pound tomorrow after GDP news? We can go through that. New Zealand was requested. Okay, so for those who has seen my reversal strategy video, strategy FX. For those who has seen this reversal strategy video, you know that this is what I love. This is what I dream about. Fantastic trading, by the way. So, if you're wondering how to get entries, how do you trade, what is it? Just in front of your eyes, for the past 2 days, we have been given magnificent trend, magnificent trade setups. This is what you should die for. And we don't get these beautiful setups. Like last time we rose, we didn't get that much. We got a double bottom, higher, higher low. There's a lot of nonsense in April. Here, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful trading. So, and I was supposed to give you the link, by the way, but that was easier said than done. Okay, how to trade reversals, you're welcome. For SAS Trader Nick, FX Street, A1, cool. So, yeah, great. So if it falls from here, okay, cool. I will just take it up from here again then. But if you bought here, bought here, bought here, break-in retest or whatever you guys call it, new trend, new trend, new trend. So if you're wondering, where does professional traders in my eyes should buy? Here. This is their buy. And you're like wondering, bro, what is that? That's a daily central M2 area. Very, very, very well known. Today, even today. So today, you got profits even. I don't know about that. But, boom, people. Also, hello. Boom. I knocked this. I knocked it. Like, this is I'm super happy. I'm relieved. And I don't feel like I'm expressing it when I'm exhausted. Because I've been editing this introduction video, which was supposed to take 10 minutes. And it's a whole ball game because I'm tired today. So, I'm sorry for being so blah. But this is me being happy. Oh, yeah, I took that away. I'm sorry, watermark. New Zealand dollar. Also, it says here. It also says here. And here it says. Cool. All right. Cool. Buy it here, and buy it here. Great. And here you have more risk, just so you know. But also 70-20 tomorrow looks great. It's only educational purposes, not financial advice whatsoever. New Zealand yen, same shop. Buy, didn't get a buy. Sorry. Okay. Reversal, double bottom, higher high, higher low, buy. Higher high, higher low, buy. Higher high, higher low, buy. Continuation higher. Boom. Boom, people. Come on. Nobody's happy? You guys should be like making pips left and right. You should be slaying. Yeah, it's back, bro. If you go to which link? If you go to like shop.avenfx.com, I think that's the link to the shop. Yeah, there it is. 24 euros. Sorry if it's expensive, but cool. So, New Zealand yen, New Zealand dollar, epic, fantastic trend. Easy 130 pips on New Zealand yen, New Zealand dollar, easy 82 pips. Okay, so I feel like we're going to be short today because I'm rushing it and I'm not spending all the time telling you about market research, market supports, the resistance, whatever's going on. What do you want to see in the market? This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. This is what you want to see. Take a screenshot of this. Go to your charts. Take a screenshot. Put it into Dream Trades and say this is where you buy. This is where you buy, and you're good to go. If you do this all the time, if you wait all through that, wait for that, and then go, boom, you are golden. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. It matters when you're expecting it. When they're expecting it, you can expect it after a big fall. Great. Double bottom. Where? Around number 6 to 9. Great. New week, M2. Great. Everything is great. Like everything that is today, this week on dollar is picture perfect. Okay. Somebody requested for USD yen. For USD yen, we are. Who says Max? Max says hello, and I say hello, mate. Video. Use custom. 1920 1080p. Apply. I don't know if it makes any sense. Very cool. Do you guys hear music, or is it just me? For USD yen, we hit take profit for the week, kind of. Had a pullback. We kind of will probably come back up again, and then after here, it's black box again. For those who understand what knows me for so long, is I think in the past week or something, black box means question mark. I don't know what's gonna happen. Come back in July. MD and Mohammed, I have heard about you asking for pound. I am going through the dollar pairs as fast as I can, one by one. I will give them tentative attention. But yeah. Okay. So there is something in the background. Hello, Zhang. You have to. Yeah, I saw that you requested for call tomorrow. I just want to mention that so I remember it myself as well. And you need to tell me how you to tell your name now. I'm just seeing Xiang. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I want to learn how you say it. Okay, thank you. Happy to have you on board, bro. Yeah. Other than that, I don't know. So currently it's gone. This was the buy, and there's a lot of buys in here. Other than that, great. I don't know after that. And what did I say on Sunday? I said that was a sell. That was the Monday, sorry. That was a sell, that was the buy. And they had broken higher at that point. I think it was here somewhere. We were here in this area here. And you continue higher. Okay, cool. So this is where you sell in that area and you got stopped out either at break even or at loss. I don't know which one you took. This is where you bought and you didn't get stopped out. So, boom. So, pound. Okay, we can do pound. Let me see if I can find some goodies for you. Economic calendar for tomorrow, and then institutional research. She looks very Sri Lankan, Indian, Pakistani, something interesting. The reason why I mention it because I like to guess where people are from. I guess you have noticed that. Denise, where are you from? Stephens. It's not American, maybe. I don't know. You can be European for that matter. You can be Scottish for that matter. But by the way, I've seen more females coming in lately. There is Jeanette, there is Annika, there is Denise, there is Chipchang, there is... Yeah, I love it. Cool. So for tomorrow, look, by the way, first of all, retail sales today, nah, it is what it is. Manufacturing 62, everything above 50 is something to look for. And yeah, cool. European market PMI was great. Everything is above 50. Everything is above above expectation, but also it has to go up to like dollar, like America, it's a 62, and as you can see, coming into for services is just 58 in Europe. Manufacturing is 63. So yeah, great. Coming tomorrow is the BOE, Bank of England, and some durable goods. Some is it GDP, core PCE. Fed looks as this one. This is what Fed looks at. They look at this one. Yeah, GDP Q1. Yeah, there it is. And analyzed. Coming at 6.4. Expectation 6.4. So, just looking for any Bank of England expectation preview. Here we are. Okay. There is at 1 p.m. my time. That is Berlin, Paris time. So currently it's 22. And that is in 17 hours from now, if I can guess correctly. Head of monetary policy, we are around 139. Rabobank says we don't expect any changes to the policy. The economy is post-lockdown sugar rush, but in our view, there's only so much latent demand that can be unleashed. Like it's very explosive in the beginning and then not so much anymore. the surge of the surge, like the increase of the Delta variant of the COVID virus, adds a layer of uncertainty. Okay, we expect CPI to be at 2.5. That's actually very great, but slowing down after that. Okay, cool. Danske, we think that do not make any changes. We keep an eye on BOE thinks that inflation after the higher than anticipated inflation in May. Cool. We'll keep an eye on inflation. That is Danske. ING, I'm just going to end at ING. The reality is that BOE is unlikely to say anything new. Indeed, it has recently shifted away from saying anything particularly concrete on the timing of the first move. Bank of England is also one of those we are thinking of maybe starting to taper soon. That will strengthen the pound a lot. Instead, UK policymakers have made take a leaf out of the Fed's book by signaling they want to significant progress on the spare capacity before thinking about hiking. Having said that, the last set of forecasts from May effectively endorsed the market thinking of a tightening by Q23. So that is 2 years from now, in second quarter, that they're going to start tightening again. Forecast based on the interest rate profile. Yeah, okay. Cool. Okay, cool. My point is, their point is, nothing new, but there was a surprise in the CPI number in May that we have to look into what is the Bank of England going to say about that. Okay? Why didn't I know that it is? But you're in Tuscan, Arizona, but you're Dutch. Okay. I don't do any Dutch, sorry. Arizona, so that's pretty. Hello, Ahmad. Cryptoker is also Dutch. He lives in Amersfoort. Sorry, wrong group. I don't know what Amersfoort is even. Anyways, so for pound, if you were a buyer of pound, this is where you bought, and you probably should have bought here. Didn't get it. Cool. Right now, if you buy here, it is high. Okay. Currently, it's high. So this is kind of where you want to be buying around 138. This is your second attempt, and third attempt is really aggressive. It all depends on what the Bank of England says. By the way, we are seeming to set up some kind of resistance here that we have not broken through right now. And maybe the market is like, well, look at us, we're going to fall from here. It could actually fall from here, but it can also rise from here. So this is where your mental game comes in, okay? How strong are you? How strong is your stomach? Have you been eating too much curry and tandoori and tikka masala lately? Or have you been eating salad and lettuce and good stuff for your tummy that you're like, cool? I will do gold, yes. My grandmother was born in Utrecht. Interesting. You got the soda. Yeah, I did. So right now, what is kind of my analysis on pound? This is where you should have bought, could have bought, would have bought. And after that, you're just waiting. You are break even at whatever price, hoping for it to not fall into your break even, and hope for it to rise up to 141.38. Okay, good. Boom. My forecast is higher pound tomorrow. Okay, that's what I think is gonna happen, but I don't know. That's just what I hope for. Hope is not a strategy, bro, but it's what I think. What else was we supposed to talk about? Hello, mate. Yeah, well, can you tell me what for pound? You have done that yet? I'm holding a lot of you for gold, I can see. Talking granny. Yeah, grandmother, you're here. How are you today, Maida? I always have a sweet spot for you. So, we have a grandmother, we have the queen, the queen with the big Q in the house. Be respectful of Maida. She is a killer when it comes to trading. She is ruthless. Did you sell any dollar this week, madam? Thank you, Michael. Yeah. So pound yen. Well, let's look at pound yen versus New Zealand yen. Okay. So if you do that comparison right now, or also for that matter, by the way, doesn't really matter. There we go. Take it away. Take it away. Cool. So, I don't know if you see any difference here in the chart. Technically, is that here there is no reversal, reversal. Support. There is no support here. There is support. Support is here, and support ended here. Okay. So what I mean is that So my point is that this is not so good. This is way better to trade if you're trading. Okay. But this is just straight up, pull back, straight up, small pullback, straight up. Meaning this is difficult to catch. This is more like you are on this time frame chasing it, and this is how you're supposed to. And if you're looking into the pivot points on this one, for example, just finding that for you very quickly, and then this one, and then pro, add it. Yeah, oh my bad. Okay, cool. Take it away. I need to change everything again. Disabled, same as chart, daily, normal, normal, something else like that. Target level. Nope, wrong. Just check that one. Is much easier then. So my point is that when you come down to support here, this is where you buy. So this is yesterday. Great. Monday reversed. Higher high, higher low. Buy. Boom. Oh, there's a lot of chats saying that since I came back. You didn't? Oh, Maida. I know. Ugh. I just want to hug you. Okay. I'm not gonna force you to think more about it, but so that's kind of what you're seeing at the moment in the market. That the differences between what is a good setup, not good setup. Okay. Good setup. Amazing setup, by the way. Great setup, and then boom. That's how you want to trade. Gold. Okay, so I want gold gang. Where's the gold gang? Gold diggers, where are you? Where's gold traders? Where's your interest in gold? Maxi, well. Yeah, where are you? Like, comment gold or gold gang or whatever you figure out you want to do, so we can go. So I need to see, like, gold is like the thing you guys are talking about lately, or Bitcoin for that matter. So you guys need to show interest. I'm not gonna give something to you where you're like, nah, I don't feel like it. I just want you to give it to me. Come on. As mentioned earlier, I want the higher high, higher low situation. We have currently a range. I call that deranged. And yeah, also, what else can I say, bro? It's not looking positive, is it? So, we went higher on the day, came back down again. Okay, dead. Dead. Ah! Mohammed, what's your goal position? You have to tell me. Like, I forget stuff faster than a goldfish when it comes to lives, because my brain is racing so fast. So, I want us to break this level here. We haven't broken it yet, by the way, people. So, okay. I think I said like there was like a mini higher high when it goes above here or something, like either here or here. But nah. Also, you could have taken it, but you're 100% back down again. That is terrible for your trading. Sell at 1900. I believe you. Yeah, great. I can agree to that. Great. I can set it here and then yeah, cool. Cool. Yeah, great. Right now, people are looking to buy it though, so I'm just going to cater for those people. But if you want to sell it, you want price to go much higher than you currently are. So right now you're just sitting in the boat, boat to make boat phase. So boat to make boat phase is a reference to some kind of research vessel that went horribly wrong because they had a name competition, and then they wanted to name the vessel, and then the internet voted for boat to make boat phase in 2016. And it was so funny. I laughed and I died. So that's what the reference is from. Boat to make boat phase. James Masibai says that Bitcoin is no longer fun to trade. Well, it never was it? Okay, cool. So, Mr. Muhammad, think we're going to sell from here? Great, I can agree to that. Cool. So what's the update on gold? The gold update is that there's nothing new. Nothing has happened. It can still fall down. It is still technically bearish. Remember, bearish, chicken bearish. And we just have to wait and see. Just wait and see. Now, someone was asking for USD CAD, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to look at Bitcoin. 2 eyes on Bitcoin now. Is there any Bitcoin gang here? Bitty. Ooh, that's a nice day. Okay, so yesterday we fell to 30,000 and then skyrocketed back up again. And I remember ADA USD, someone else asking for that as well, Cardano. And they said, was it here that it crashed? What is that then? If this was the crash, what is that? Okay. Come on, people. Take it together. Take it together, Hansi. Okay? Pull us up together. So, yeah. Cool, it's whatever. Bitcoin is alive. Came down to the target for the week. Went back up again. Target is up here at 36,000. I wanted us to break 40,000 before buying again. So yeah, also you can buy it here in those stuff, but nah, I don't know. It's very risky to buy it now. So cheers, BTC gang. What is GDX, by the way? I have no clue what the Vanek X or miner is. Okay. Cool. It was a good buy in May 2020. That's what it was. Now in June, it's been absolutely terrible. What else? GDX, it's a lower low, it's falling. It's not really fun to trade it. Almost took coffee now. Waiting for a higher high on gold. Currently bearish. Waiting for a fantastic July on gold. Can start this week, next week, or the week after that. Cool. So, USD CAD. Currently we have been falling quite a bit lately. If we're coming into the daily pivots, I don't know if I'm using daily pivots too much with you guys, but you know, here it is. Sell, sell, nothing to sell, and sell. Okay, cool. That's all. Nothing else. And we are now over 618 retraced off the move by the FOMC. On Euro, we are retraced 50 pips, no 50%. USD CAD, no, Australian is 50%. And pound is 618. So interesting. This one has considerably moved the most down again, and this is kind of what I expected to happen. You know, this, I don't know, can call it temple, peak, mountain, whatever. So yeah. And if you have sells up here, great. If you have buys, I don't know where you should be buying anymore. It's broken all the supports you want to hold. So it's all gone now. Maybe some kind of reversal, higher high, higher low. Maybe it happens. All right. So currently we are far into the week. We are on Wednesday. You are still hoping for it to come down to 21. Can it reverse from now? Yes, it can. So just thinking of that, generally speaking. But other than that, you can look to sell it again today and then take it down tomorrow if you already have sells in these situations here. And for you, you're just thinking, I can add another one. Other than that, don't take it. Okay, if this is your first entry, you're probably going to hit your stop loss. You need to have float for that. Okay, so what did I mention today? So today we have an open link to the Discord channel, free Discord channel. Denise has subscribed today. Thank you very much. And the thing is, people, as you might understand me right now, most of the planning, positioning, action happens on a Friday or Monday. Right now it's Wednesday and a bit flat because it's already gone. And I can't really tell you to do stuff. I can't really make you do stuff because right now, the more we fall, the more likely we are to take profit, the less profits there is to be made. Yeah, you know what I mean? Like for Euro, we have already risen a good amount and we're supposed to rise more, so yeah, cool. Euro, look at that Euro New Zealand, eh? Is that today? Yes, mate. Look at that. I made that plan yesterday. So here, Hamad, thank you very much for subscribing, bro. I made that plan yesterday in this live. 70.27, I said, and you got 70.38 to sell from. Wow. That was a pretty good sell entry, bro. 13 pips in loss. Ooh, nice. Ooh la la. I was pretty happy with that. Price was here at the time. Price was here at the time of the when I said that. Great. Boom. Profits all the way. Profits all the way. Okay. What am I gonna do now? I am going to go through what I think is gonna happen for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna call it. It's 42 minutes already, by the way. So I'm gonna go fast through some markets and make my verdict. Grab pen and paper. Hopefully you will catch something along the way. When it comes to this pivot point thing that I'm doing, you know, this is where you buy, 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 and this is where you buy. Pretty good trend following. And if it makes a lower low, you are getting out, getting out, get out. Alright, cool. So DXY currently is coming a bit up. Still all okay. It has not made a higher high. I'm all good on that. S&P 500 is still very high. This is where you should have bought. Right now it's too elevated. Maybe wait for July to happen. Okay, coming into this Australian thing, I definitely would say, out of my, without giving you any financial advice whatsoever, just my personal opinion. And Josephat, thank you for subscribing, bro. Boom. Do you watch? Yeah, I do. Noor says I love you, sir. I love you too, bro. Happy to have you here. Love all the way. Okay. Interesting. Higher high, higher low. That is kind of what I want. Around 77.50. Is it close to your entry in here? Yes. But you should have had entries in here as well, so you should not be too worried. The question becomes if that was a sell opportunity that they exhausted into 76. I am worried about that. Okay, we shall see what London brings us tomorrow morning. Bet break even on the other trades. I'm not with Oanda. I don't have an account. So maybe if I can sell a lot of mentorship courses, I can probably fund an account with Oanda. That was a joke, by the way. So I don't have trade on my chart. I have it in Trader's Way. So maybe one day I will trade with Oanda or some of these brokers that doesn't trading view. But I just want to separate my trading from my broker. No, trading from charting, so I can chart and do whatever without fearing that I'm adding trades, moving stop losses, taking profit, doing stupid stuff I shouldn't do. Alright? Good? Good. Euro dollar. I don't like that. Okay. It still is not a lower low, so it's still okay. But why would it fall now? Okay. It's supposed to rise. So as long as it's above this price, I'm still okay. I'm still break even, still okay, still good. So yeah, I guess. I don't like it, but it is what it is. Go Germany, go Sweden. Yeah, thank you. Lala says maybe an uptrend trend line. I don't do trend lines, so I don't know about that. So for tomorrow, still a buy, I guess, in here, but it's a bit punctured at the moment. I hope it doesn't kick me out though. But or like it's a bit less aggressive than I want it to be, but it is what it is. Pound dollar. Buy, wait, but still that is technically the buy for tomorrow. If you can survive the fall down to here again, Yeah. I see this area as untapped area that might, I don't struggle with the untapped areas as support and no demands and supply and those names things. But I'm just saying we haven't really touched that top yet. That could be a potential area to just flash crash and then up again. Okay? Just saying. Don't be surprised if it happens. My point is, have an order down here, and don't enter orders here. Yeah, so yeah, I can do 4-hour meta. Doesn't matter to me. It's just that it's unconscious. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm sorry. I could do pound Swissy at the end, yeah. Trend lines can be helpful. I used one on USD yen, connected with pivot points, yeah. 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 Also, I can't teach you happy days, something I haven't found profitability in. You know what I mean? So for me that would be best faking it. Okay? But yeah, pound yen, very elevated, pretty good, strong trend. Hasn't come down to the buy prices. On 1 hour, it has come down here to the 1 hour 21, very, very, very aggressive, and hasn't touched it since. So it's very aggressive at the moment. So I don't know. I don't have any trades here tomorrow. New Zealand has way more things to fall before buying it again. So if you bought it here, so what is the rules of engagement here, people? So if you want to buy something like this, you want 21 to cross over. So that's here. So this is where you have your first buy. If you're aggressive, this is where you can buy your first time. This is aggressive entry. This is your actual entry and then gone. Okay? Cool. Great. As long as we don't break below 69.80, I'm cool. I'm cool. Yeah, I know. But yeah, I, as a content creator, can't talk about that positively. That's all. Lala, I have done gold already. Okay. So New Zealand looking to buy somewhere between 70.27, 70 whatever something. USD CAD looking for sells around 123.13 or now. The other thing that also looked untapped is this area here at 123.15. So those two areas are kind of things you need to look for. Let's see which one you get. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand tomorrow is either 69.67 or 69.92. Okay. Yen pairs are very aggressive, but as you can see here, Monday was a pretty good buy. Nothing here. So hopefully it can come a bit down so we can buy it again. But other than that, let it go. Prices to look for is 83.65 or 83.76 at London Open. CAD yen, whatever. It's too aggressive for me. Aggressive, I don't want to trade it. Euro yen, okay, buy nothing. Very aggressive on euro yen. And in comparison to euro dollar, this one is not even falling, so interesting. Yeah, New Zealand, buy, and probably buy here too. 77.83. Whatever I'm going through today is not financial advice whatsoever. It's just my personal opinion of where I think things can go. Coming into silver, Nothing yet. Another day, we're just waiting. Gold. Another day of waiting. It's still bearish. Just wait. Pound Swissy is in aggressive uptrend. Buy. Look for buys at around 70.28, but I think probably there will be a weekly target somewhere. Okay, so it's at the weekly target, so that makes me want to wait and readjust myself and say I will wait at 27.50 next week. If it continues higher, then whatever. If it comes up, do something like that, and then that is kind of what it should do. Pivot points and the pivot points indicator video is going to come in. It's going to be posted tomorrow. US oil, Mr. Grease, Tassos. Yeah. Okay. We currently have a double top. If it matters anything to anyone, we can continue higher either from 72, 73, sorry, or 72. I'm really terrible at gold at the moment. I'm really terrible at the gold. I have not had my brain screwed on with oil this year. Still bullish, by the way, but it has hit target twice technically. I don't know if it matters anymore. We did that earlier, came down, bought it again. Okay, look for a buy again then. Fight on Monday or Tuesday or Friday or Monday, somewhere here in this area around 71, 72. Alright people, I feel flat today, I'm sorry. I hope what the next pay may be. Any questions? Phil, Preston, yeah, as you can hope for it always, but remember that big boys are going to hold it until there's a change in policy. So you need to look for change in policy before you're thinking that they should have a correction. Nobody is going to have a correction until it actually will have a correction. And currently it's not bearish. It's a range more than anything else, but a bullish range. Came hard on this week and then rallied back up again. Alright. It's at a sell price, great, but it can still continue higher because it's a stock market. And I would say for the month, that was the buy price. Straightforward. Nothing else, sir. Aman Lala asks, when I'm going to go live again? I don't know if I'm going to be live tomorrow. I probably won't. Thursdays are pretty flat for me. Fridays, I can try to do Friday. But if you guys push me, push me to do it, I'll probably do it. But like, you guys need to subscribe and you guys need to like and you guys need to push me and tell me and I do well and I'm a good boy and I look handsome. That's when I will do lives, right? Yeah. You are not supposed to see that. Yeah, so we have 2 more new subscribers today. Thank you very much. But yeah. Great. Fantastic. Boom. But don't point any weapons on me though. I don't like that. Like with me, you need to be cozy with me. If you use fear with me, I will just pull away. But if you tell me I look handsome, I look pretty, if you give me flowers, if you give me chocolate, that would be great. I will come then. All right. If not, Aman, if you are in my Discord group, I normally ask if you guys want me to be live, but this is kind of my schedule now. Okay. It's also coming into summer, so a little lower volatility and all that things, but generally speaking, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there is something, okay? Saturday is the weekly Forex forecast. Sunday is the live for the members and for free for everyone else. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there is a live for everyone at 19:30. So, and then probably tomorrow there's going to be a video as well on pivot points Thursday. So that is 6 days this week. I'm not a content creator, by the way. I'm a trader. So I need to do other things as well than just being live here with you. Thank you, Liam. Thank you, Liam. So thank you guys for joining in today. I think I'm gonna go. And if this was, does anyone feel like I was short today? Does anyone feel that way? I don't feel everyone feel like when I was worried constantly, I could not wait for someone to get on YouTube. I was anxious. I was like, okay, it's 1 hour left, 30 minutes left, 20 minutes left, 10 minutes. Okay, now he needs to post that he's going live too. And then when it was over, it was like, where did you go? Thank you, Newman. Thank you. Thank you. All right, people. Thank you very much. I've already done pound yen, by the way. Already done it. Go back in this live. Okay. Thank you very much, people. Have a great day. Boom.